Right at our Tjhoko journey, at the beginning, we were given a brief to revamp a space using old items, upcycle them into something beautiful to create a girls' room. And that's exactly what we did in this space. This is actually my daughter's room. At that point she was 9 and she's now a teenager with her own choices and her own styles and her own preferences. We are going to revamp this space according to what she likes as a birthday gift and to show with how little you can create a space to fit your decor trends and your decor preferences. So this is going to be transformed into a Scandi chic decor style. Kaylee doesn't know that we are starting this project today. It's a birthday gift and we're going to show you with how little we can transform this space into something different. Something exciting that Tjhoko is bringing out is Tjhoko inspired colors for walls. So the Tjhoko color range will now be available in a low sheen wall paint. And that is what we're going to use today to give some inspiration on how to repaint your walls quite easily with a beautiful finish in the Tjhoko inspired colors for walls. We'll also be showing how to transform melamine cupboards into something new and fresh by using Tjhoko paint. Seeing that you don't need to apply a primer, you can simply roll on the paint on the melamine doors after you've cleaned it well with lacquer thinners. But all of that we'll show you today. So the plan for today is to get all the paintwork done. The ceiling needs to be painted, the walls need to be painted, the melamine doors need to be painted, and then we are going to add some interesting geometric shapes in pastel colors on the focal wall just to create some excitement in the space. Abram P, you will have to take all the nails out of the wall, please, okay? Okay, so don't look at the mess behind me, but I had to call in some students to assist me to get the light fitting in the corner of the room as it currently is out of the ceiling. So they are going to climb into the manhole, loosen whatever is in there, just so that we can release the light fitting. So the wall behind me, we've applied the stencil of Paris with a stencil design when we initially did this room. We are simply now covering all the holes where the floating shelves used to be with stencil of Paris. It sets rock hard and it dries quickly. And then we're going to use the David color to paint on top of the stencil of Paris. So it will create a beautiful textured wall, but it won't be as visible as it is now with a darker background color on the wall. So the paintwork is done, we're just waiting for the final coat to dry. And now we're going to start with the electrics in this room. With me, Solly and Larku, they are going to assist to make sure that we have a beautiful light fitting bedside lamp. That's what's happening next. Final finishing touches, and Dieter should arrive soon to have a screen put up. Let's see how everything gets pulled and put together. So the screen is in and it's a big sigh of relief because my measurements were done correctly. The guys didn't trust me on this, but here's a living proof that a woman can take measurements. The only thing now is we need to get this thing stable. Luckily it's not my problem, it's Dieter's problem, so they are busy figuring it out, but it's here. Slowly but surely everything is coming together. The next step will be to paint our geometrics on the wall. We've selected triangular shapes The nice thing about painting geometrics on a wall, whenever you're tired of it, you can simply repaint and just paint over it to hide it again. So I'm going to just have a slight color inspiration in the space with coral pinks and some peach pinks and a touch of teal just to give some color inspiration. So let's get started. So this is a medium coral pink. Oh, we're going to do it in a darker version and a lighter version. So I start rolling in the center to make sure when I reach the edges, the paint won't seep underneath the stencil. Voila! In our new Tjhoko inspired colors for walls, you can now paint on walls more cost effective than buying Tjhoko paint, and we are going to continue with these geometric shapes and have fun. Tjhoko is even good for your hair. Okay, so we are going to continue with the triangular shapes on our walls, and then the final things need to be added to this space. Dieter will be assisting to put the floating shelves back on. The men is busy varnishing our screen. Doesn't that just look amazing? And then we will call you back when the room is ready to be revealed to Kaylee. This room is complete and it was an absolutely amazing project. And I think what makes it even more rewarding is if you do something for someone you really love a lot. So I'm ready to go call Kaylee and surprise her with a complete new look and feel. Okay, are you ready, Kaylee?
Yes.
Okay, and this is your new room.
Oh, wow. This looks amazing. I love everything.
Do you like what you see?
It's amazing. I can't believe what's happening. It's so beautiful.
Okay, so what we've done is we've painted onto your stencil wall, so you can still see the writing. It's just very subtle. And then I use some beautiful pastels and neutrals and also a splash of color on your walls with the geometric patterns. And we've created a screen here to divide your room, your desk area and the rest of your room in two, so that you can have loads of fun in this space. Be yourself. I can't believe you're growing up so quickly. Just be happy.
Thank you, Mom.
It's a huge pleasure. This was an absolute fun project. It's so rewarding to see your children grow up into beautiful young people and to be able to do something for them that they love and appreciate. Thanks, Tjhoko. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Tjhoko Paint.